Good morning, students. Welcome all of you. I welcome you all to the class of Mathematics BSc second year. Dear students, in this lecture we are discuss a new paper. Paper number is 8 and paper name is Ordinary Differential Equations. This is a BSc second year, third semester paper. Students, objective of this paper, a primary objective of the course to learn elementary knowledge of ordinary differential equation. Here some outcome of this paper. After successful completion of the course, student will be able to, first outcome, understanding concept of solution of differential equation, order and degree. Second, transform the equation into variable separable form. Third, transform first order non-homogeneous equation in x and y to homogeneous equations in x and y and solve it. Next outcome, find the equations that can be resolved into component equations and solve it. Next, solve Clairaut equations. Sixth outcome, find the solution when the auxiliary equations are equal, different and repeated and imaginary root. Next outcome, find the solution of the exact differential equations, rules of finding integrating factors. And 8, transform non-linear equation to linear equation and solve it. And next, find integral compounding to a term of the form e to the power x comma x to the power m sorry comma sin x or cos x comma e to the power x v comma x v capital V comma x square v in the second members. Next, find the solution of linear equations with variable constant. Transform the equation to the homogeneous linear form. And last of the outcome in this paper, transform the homogeneous linear equation with constant coefficient by changing the independent variable x to z by putting x plus e to the power z or z is equal to log x. These are the outcome of this paper. Dear student, in this paper divided by 4 units. So first unit, see the content. First content is formation of the differential equation. That means ordinary or partial differential equation, order, definitions of order and degree, solution and constant of integration, comma equation of the first order and of the first degree, equation of the form f1 of x dx plus f2 of x y dy is equal to 0, equation homogeneous in x and y, non-homogeneous equation of the first degree in x and y, and exact differential equations, condition that an equation of the first order be exact, rule for finding the solution of an exact differential equation, comma integrating factors, the number of the integrating factors is infinite, comma and last, integrating factor found by inspections. This is the first unit content. And second unit of this syllabus, rule for finding integrating factor, rule first, second, third, fourth and fifth, linear equations, equations reducible to the linear form, equations of the first order but not for first degree, equation that can be resolved into component equations of the first degree, equation that cannot be resolved into component equations, equations solved by y, equations solved by x, equation that do not contain x, that do not contain y, equation of the first degree in x and y, Clairaut's equations. And unit third, linear equation with constant coefficient, linear equation definition, the complementary function, the particular integral, comma, the complete solution, the linear equation with constant coefficient and second member 0, case of auxiliary equation having equal roots, comma, case of auxiliary equation having imaginary root, the symbol d, comma, another way of the finding of the solution when the auxiliary equation has repeated roots, comma, the linear equation with constant coefficient and a second member a function of x. And last article in this chapter, the symbolic function 1 by f of d method of the finding the particular integral. And last unit, unit 4, short method of finding the particular integral in certain cases. That means integral corresponding to a term of the form e to the power x comma e to the power m. I already explained the e to the power x and e to the power x to the power m. These are output. Sin ax or cos ax in the second member, integral corresponding to a term of the form e to the power x v comma x capital V, the second member. Next article, linear equations with variable coefficient. The homogeneous linear equation first method of solution, second method of solution of A, second method of solution of to find the complementary function, and subpoint to find the particular integral. The symbol of function f of theta and 1 by f of theta, comma, method of the finding the particular integral corresponding to a term of the form x to the power m in the second member equations, reduction to the homogeneous linear form. In this paper 4 unit, these are the, and textbook is Daniel A. Murray, book name is Introductory Course in Differential Equation, Radha Publishing House, Calcutta. And these are the scope of in this book, unit first, unit second, and unit third and unit fourth. And these are the 4 reference. Dear students, I hope you understand this syllabus, and next lecture we will discuss first unit, formulation of the differential equations. So thank you. Stop it.